Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Imran Khan to inaugurate Canap 2 nuclear power plant on Friday. Prime Minister Imran Khan will inaugurate 1100 megawatts Canap 2 nuclear power plant on Friday at the occasion of the 17th anniversary of diplomatic ties between Pakistan and China. FM Qureshi says 14 members agreed to joint strategy on Palestine issue. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that 14 out of 15 members have agreed to adopt a joint strategy on the Palestine issue ahead of the United Nations General Assembly. Mafias want government to give NRO, PM Imran Khan. Prime Minister Imran Khan reiterated his resolve that he and his government would not bow down before corrupt mafia and would not grant a reprieve to anyone. Pakistan keen to enhance defense cooperation with Ukraine, COAS Bajwa. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa said that Pakistan is keen to enhance defense cooperation with Ukraine on the basis of the transfer of technology and joint ventures in the future, as both sides can benefit from each other's experience. UNGA session. UN chief calls for immediate ceasefire in Gaza. The UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres once again called on Israel and Palestine to immediately end fighting and return to negotiation. Sindh to keep COVID-19 restriction amid surge in cases. Since Coronavirus Task Force on Thursday decided to keep the ongoing restriction to contain surge in virus cases in the province. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.